All right, we're at day number 23. This side of the package looks brand new, doesn't it? And this side really doesn't look too bad, even though I've opened almost every single item, but still looks pretty neat, don't you think? I could make my own advent calendar maybe for next year. Hello, my equestrian friends. It's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video. And it is December 23rd. Christmas is upon us. It is almost here. And we only have 2 days left to open of the advent calendar. December 23rd, which is door number 23. And then the one that I'm super curious about, day number 24. So I'm very excited. Make sure you come back for tomorrow's video when we finally figure out what is in that door. I know I say I'm super excited a lot, but I'm really excited to find out what's in there. What's in there? I don't know. I want to know. Okay, but that is tomorrow's video. Today is December 23rd, like I said. So we are going to be opening number 23. Where are you? All of these are open. Why can't I find 23? Oh, because it's on the top. Right there. Door number 23. Okay. Okay. All right. Is that what I think it is? Pretty sure it is. Moosman Flaggen Frenderschaft. I'm thinking it's Kleenex. Yep. That is Kleenex. Which, I mean, we all need, right? It would work really well for cleaning out your horse's nose, or if you had to blow your nose. Everybody needs Kleenex once in a while. So this is something really nice to have to put in my first aid kit. And I think I can find a lot of uses for it. Not exactly what I was anticipating was going to be behind door number 23, but I'll take it. It's cute. It's fancy Kleenex. It's heavier duty than Kleenex that I would use, like Puffs or anything like that. So it's not too bad. And honestly, with all of the other incredible products, having something like this for one day, that's okay. Because I can use it. It's something that will serve me well. It's not as awesome as the rest of the stuff, but hey, you can't have 24 amazing things. Well, I guess you could, but I don't know. Some people might think that's amazing and incredible, but it's not my favorite, I'll put it that way, of everything I've opened so far. But there it is, a pack of Kleenex from Effol, along with the other items. So that is 23 items total that we've gotten so far, and there is only one left. I hope it's not a letdown. I'm very excited, but you'll have to come back tomorrow to find out. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, watch all of the other videos, watch me opening this entire thing, and come back tomorrow for Christmas Eve or day number 24, window number 24, right there.